Capricorn, this is your channel messages for my Capricorn placements. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Capricorn, I have a channel song. I won't lie, I was really intimidated to do this song. Nevertheless, I put on my Becky with the good hair. I have my Naya water, and I want to channel. So here's our first ever attempt. I'm not an artist. I never claimed to be an artist. This is your song. Take me sway, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sway, make me harder, make me lose my breath. Normally, I can keep my cool, but tonight I'm wildin'. Oh, I'm gonna be in a dangerous room, can you match my timing? Oh, telling me that you're really bad, but you're trying to hide it. Oh, target's cheap, so show me just what you under like it. Can you blow my mind? Can you set my whole body if I give you my time? Can you snatch my soul from me? 'Cause I don't wanna wait. Don't take it, take me where I have been before. Can you blow my mind? Can you set my soul for me? Whole body. South Africa, make me sway, make me harder, make me lose my, make me sway, make me harder, make me lose my, make me water, make me sway, oh, make me harder, make me lose my, make me water, make me sway, make me harder, make me water. Okay, so I'm getting water. I'm getting water. Blood clot. Please hold. I'm getting you need water. Okay, that's what the you need water in your system. Okay, so tell those thirsty bitches to leave you alone. You think Harriet Tubman was walking the slaves to freedom so that you can be mingling with other bitches? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. So yeah, I'm gonna give me water. Maybe she wanted money to buy water. She didn't even want water, to be honest. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Ha! Normally, okay, let's go. We have a Leo coming up first, okay? So we have the Strength card. Okay, I'm getting someone's not too happy about something, okay? Or I'm getting something about great job, nice try. I'm getting the sense of a bride showing up at her wedding in white and then a guest showing up in white too. Where it's kind of, why would you show up in white? But it's like, okay. I see what you have there, okay? I'm getting something about a Leo, all right? The Two of Pentacles, okay? I'm getting something about a decision that's supposed to be made between a Capricorn and a Leo. Or Capricorn, something about a selection. It's supposed to make the selection of, I don't know if the selection is between a Leo and a Capricorn, or I'm getting some type of selection you're supposed to make. All right, we have a Six of Wands. We're getting somebody supposed to move on to the next round. This could be something of like a talent show. Or I'm getting somebody supposed to relocate for your opportunity. Maybe you're gonna sing. I'm getting somebody want to relocate for your deal. It could be a record deal, the Page of Swords. I'm getting you get discovered online. And them asking if you can relocate and come somewhere. Maybe you can't take advantage of the opportunity right now, or you're scared. I'm getting you always had high hopes of being somebody very influential in life. But me getting now you get the opportunity. You're like, should I really give up my 9-to-5 job for a chase dream? For a run down this? What if it don't work? What if I don't even know what I'm gonna do? Capricorn is the industry, Leo is the sun, Leo is the lens, and Capricorn will be dancing in front of the lens. So Capricorn will be dancing, so Leo will be dancing in front. Capricorn will be dancing in front of the lens that is Leo. So I'm getting is like, yes, should me really leave my nice job and everything for to chase this down? Yes, I think you should. I think you need to chase your dreams. You'll never know. I'm getting every single year you see a new artist come up, you see a new talent come up, and you're like, if only me was working as hard as that. When me getting, I get discovered online and they're asking you to relocate. Alright? We have a 7 of Wands. We have a 7 again, 77. Okay, be very careful. Me getting something about a music producer or me getting a record label. It is run or there's a Leo that's on the record label. Me getting somebody a thief. Me getting, okay, so if you're an artist and a record label sign you, them lock in on the contract. Me getting them and make money off of you, but you're not getting none. Nothing. That's like me getting, that's like the whole country is listening to your song, but me getting the record label. So is the contract is you see the contract that you signed? Yeah, it says that you get nothing. You just work for us for free for the rest of your life until you're just dead. So basically, that's what. I'm sorry. I would do. Let me tell you something. I am a man of God. I would do something if I could, but unfortunately, the contract that you signed, sweetie, if the contract is written in ill faith, it cannot be deemed legal. There's no contract. Me talk about if you bring this contract in a court of law. I'm not talking about if you bring it in front of Clark Masonic building, a pioneer village, right? If me say, okay, the contract is, okay, me, I'm going to do something for you, and then you can kill me and take my organs and sell on the black market. Even if that is a contract, you cannot bring that in front of a judge, because it's illegal. You have to come to the, Judge Judy always talk about, you have to come to court with clean hands. You can't come there saying, officer, can you arrest that woman because she stole my £1/4 of cocaine? Cocaine come in £1/4. I know you fucking know how people do cocaine. But I'm just saying, yeah, me have £1/4 of cocaine, she just steal it. Can you chase her down? You can't call the police and tell them that. You're in the wrong tone. How do you arrest somebody when you're the illegal? So me getting something about that. Yes, it's that somebody's locking a contract. Me getting you damn well know say you never give them the part of the contract for read. You damn well know say them would have never ever. Me getting whatever the contract them lock in, it is not written. Me getting in a written. Or me getting every year the contract change. Every single year on update the contract with new terms and agreements and then forge the people them signature again. To make it look like them keep a new contract. And I'm getting by now, me know if you leave your job already, but me getting you took a risk, you left your job and now you're not getting no money. Me getting a beer work you're producing but no money. Cause me getting whatever contract it says, them know them are gonna thief from you. I'm getting you making a hell of a lot of fucking money for these people. It's like they're telling you sign a contract where you're gonna take $1 a year. And then all the proceeds of what you are doing go to them. That don't sound like a contract. That don't sound like a contract to me. Yeah, 9 of Cups. That sounds like someone's drunk. And the Lover's card. Or somebody want you. Maybe that's what it is. They want you bad. That's why they keep locking you into this dumbass contract and not giving any money. Because they want to provide for you. You have to run to them. Are me getting something about somebody not give you money until they come over them house and fuck them and have sex with them and drink with them? So I'm getting your contract is based upon if you will sleep with somebody or not. Well, why would I, if you still have so much power, why would I use it? Why would I stop there? You know, give me one contract because I'm not intoxicated. And why would I stop there if you still have so much power? I'm gonna go fucking, go see if I can go fucking Norway then. Me will use my say and get a visa for see if I can go Norway. Free fucking education. You don't pay for fucking college or nothing like that. Don't you think I probably do that? If you're telling me that what is stopping me from the life I always wanted was what I'm not kidding you, then why would I stop there? Wouldn't I use my pussy for the greater good of humanity? Me say I am ready. Me say, let me tell you something. When you think lad said, when not for glad, because we got the same blood clot way. You don't want to walk and talk about say man is unholy. I'll tell you this, if I was in the fucking Garden of Eden and I saw the Sagittarius I saw last night, I would have bitten that apple and all of us would have been motherfucking cursed, man. I would have bitten that apple for that Sagittarius. If Adam didn't look like the Sagittarius, and you're telling me and him in one garden, with him sexy balls showing, with those veins in him hands showing, and you're telling me there's an apple tree there, and God tell me if you don't touch the apple tree. Don't touch the apple tree of the Sagittarius, or you are going to abominate the planet. Sir, I would abominate him and gladly be usher her out, usher her out. I said I would have bought that apple. I wouldn't even buy the fucking apple. I would have chew up that apple so fast. Humanity would have been abominated the same fucking way. So you should know that. It doesn't matter who was in the Garden of Eden. Oh, Tony talks. Oh. Hi, thank you. My name is Tony. Thank you for calling Tony. Hi, thank you for calling Tony Hotline. Hi. Okay. No, it's Tony. You know Tony talks. Hi, thank you. Oh. Excuse me, thank you. No, you're excused. Okay, let me tell you something. At the end of the day, I can fuck up with all y'all niggas and I still get dick, okay? But were you the one over my house telling me that you wanted me to give you? Okay, thank you. Excuse me, I will never thank a homework, okay? I'm telling you, miss, I would have buy that apple. So you should know whether I was in the Garden of Eden or Eve, it would have went the same way. I'm fine for my motherfucking life. I'm gonna leave it here. I will leave it. Should I leave it here? Where's my? No, I can't leave it here. The Hanged Man, the High Priestess. We have Celebrity. We have It's Over, and we got Cancer. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.